One should be blooming now. Yes, chef.
Chef,
Yes.
does it really matter? If I add a little more rice or a little less meat, it's still biryani, isn't it?
Bittu, a masterpiece is not an accident. If you change the ratio, you change the identity.
Come with me.
Think of a water molecule, Bittu. It is always 2 parts hydrogen and 1 part oxygen. Always. It doesn't matter if the water is from the Ganges or from a rain cloud in Mumbai.
So, like my masala mixture?
Exactly. In a chemical compound, the elements are always present in definite proportions by mass. Just like our recipes.
This is the law discovered by Joseph Proust.
If I have 10 kilos of rice and 5 kilos of meat, I have a specific taste. If I add 20 kilos of rice to the same meat, the compound of our biryani is broken. It's no longer the same dish.
So, whether I make one plate or a whole deg for a wedding, the ratio of rice to meat stays the same? Ah, I get it now.
Perfect. Nature is the greatest chef. It never guesses its ingredients. It follows the laws of chemical combination.
So, I'm not just a helper, I'm a lab assistant?
Every great chef is a chemist who knows that balance is law.